Hello everybody, it's Larry with Living Like Larry, and today is February 22nd, and I'm what you call a little bit of a parrot head. So what's so big about February 22nd? It's National Margarita Day. So what do you do after a long day at work? If you're a parrot head on Margarita Day, you come home and you make a margarita. So I'm going to show you how to make a margarita on my Margaritaville Key West frozen concoction maker. They're really nice. You can do this with a blender. The nice thing about the frozen concoction maker is it shaves the ice before it blends. So it makes a really good restaurant quality margarita or any other frozen drink. So with your concoction maker, you usually get the ultimate party guide. And I'm going to use it today to show you how to make what they call the best margarita. So, and how I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it to make a batch that makes 3 of them, not the single serve. So here we go. So, we get our pitcher here. Got it ready to go. I'm going to take that, and I also have Margaritaville Island Lime Tequila. And according to this, it's going to take 3 ounces. 1 ounce is for a single drink, but I'm making 3, so it's going to take 3 ounces. And then I also have Margaritaville Margarita Mix. This is not a paid advertisement. It's just what I have. So with this, it's going to take 1 3/4 for a single serve. So we're going to times that by 3. So 3 1/2. So 4 1/4 ounces. 5 1/4 ounces. Four. Got that. And goes for a 1/2 ounce of orange juice. So times it by 3. I got 1.5 ounces of orange juice. So I added 1.5 ounces of orange juice. Now I need 1.5 ounces of lime juice. Again, it calls for 1/2 ounce, but times that by 3. It's 1.5 ounces. Okay. And then my last simple syrup. Or triple sec, so 3/4 ounce. There we go. So there's all our ingredients for the best margarita. So we'll put the cap on here, and let's go over to the concoction maker. So I'm going to set that in here. As you can you see this? So it's on. You have a blend and shave. You have a shave only, a blend only, and I got it set for 1, 2, or 3 drinks. I got it set for 3 drinks. It's on. The shark fins are on. So what I'm gonna do is shave and blend. I got the ice filled up. Not filled up, but enough for this. And it is a bit noisy. So shave the ice. And blend. always give it a little extra. It usually does well. I've had this for about 5 years now. So there we go. Get your favorite margarita glass or glass. Pour that in. Grab the straw. If you look at this up here, got that nice consistency that you would get in a restaurant. So how's it taste? That is delicious. That's it. They call it the best margarita. I say it's a perfect margarita. So again, thank you for watching. Like I said, you could use this recipe in a blender. You just wouldn't have the shaved ice. But I would highly recommend a frozen concoction maker from Margaritaville. I love having mine if this is what you like. If you wanted to make it like non-alcoholic, you could add Sprite in instead of the tequila. And there you go. Happy National Margarita Day. And if you like my video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more and like what I have, hit the bell and subscribe. Thanks for joining me here on Living Like Larry.